nangyari, mas mabuti nakahanda kaysa sa hindi. Pero kung kahit na walang mga rally, nagmamaster naman talaga tayo ng tropa. Ngayon, kinuha ko na rin ang pagkakataon because I have not visited the NCRCOM yet. Take this opportunity while I'm there in Aguinaldo to address the troops.
Masasabi natin tapos na sir yung crisis at wala naman ng threats laban sa
Security-wise, sa amin, although may mga threats sa gobyerno, sa tingin namin hindi makaka-apekto ito sa Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Pero nag-weigh na ba yung threat, sir, say from the last rally?
Our policy is whether or not these threats have waned. We prepare for any eventuality.
Has it waned, sir? Has it waned, sir?
To me, it has waned. But still, there are standard operating procedures which the NCRCOM has to comply with.
How about the threats, sir, against the life of the president?
That is a PNP matter you address.
Sir, bakit masabing nag-win yung security threats? Anong naging base yan?
Well, sa amin, yung pagbabasa namin sa situation, yung security threats ay nag-wait na sa aming pagpalagay. Sa mga nakaraang mga political actions, hindi ito nagbunga ng sinasabi ng ibang mga tao ng pagbibihag sa Armed Forces of the Philippines or pagiging yung disunity sa Armed Forces. Sa kabaliktaran, lumakas pa nga ang unity ng Armed Forces of the Philippines sa kabila ng mga nangyayari sa political side.
Do you see the threat continuing to die down? Yun ba yung trend, sir?
To me, threats are dynamic. You cannot say that just because this day there are none, there will be none in the future. These are dynamic events.